Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for KFX Studio channel. So today I want to show you how to create butterfly animation by Illustrator and After Effects. So let's start. First, create a new project in Illustrator in 1080 pixels in RGB color. So in next, go to your tools. Before going to tools, take a look, go to window, toolbar, select advanced. And now I need to turn on the advance and select spray and go to window, turn on the symbols. Go to library and go to select nature. Select the butterfly just in one click. Press V, hold Alt Shift key, change the size. And now close another tabs. And now I need to divide in three parts. The first step, you must go to layer and create three layers. And now go to object, make expand, okay. And now zoom in, press A, direct selection, hold shift, select the middle parts, press Ctrl 2 to lock, and go to select this part of the wing, take a look, make cut, and go to another layer, Ctrl V, paste, and select another part, select all of them, select your layer and go to object, send to current layer. So guys, and now there you can see three layers. The first layer, take a look, close, go to object, unlock. So Control Z, Control Z, there's a little bit problem. Select all this part and now make cut, go to another layer, paste and close. So guys, set your all layers, select all of them, set right there. Take a look. First layer, second layer, and third one. And select the middle part, go to unlock, and select, set center, and center. Zoom out. So guys, and now go to file, go to save a copy, and I need to delete that file. Butterfly copy Illustrator save. And select Illustrator 2020. Okay. Go to After Effects, create a new composition, and right here, animation, animation, and set HD 5 seconds, click OK. Double click, go to desktop, select Illustrator file import in After Effects, and select composition, click OK. And drop to composition animation, press S, scale down the size, set to center. And now double click, select this part, go to anchor point, set here. Select another part, select anchor point, set to here. Set to center. And the first layer anchor point is uh, better or good. And now select layer 3, turn on the 3D switch, turn on the 3D switch for both wing. And now press R rotation. There is the Y rotation stopwatch. Take a look, make it 45 and go to 10 frame. Make it minus 45 and go to another stopwatch. Make it minus 45. Change to 45. Select all, copy, paste, and select all, copy, paste. and select all of them, copy, paste right there, and copy, paste right there. Select all of them, copy, paste right there, and copy, paste right there. So the animation of the wings are ready. And now don't forget, select the layer one, the first layer, turn on the 3D, and select both layers parent link to the layer one. And now you can make in 3D view like this and rotate like this and make a little bit of play now. Here you can see like a 3D view. So guys, don't forget, select all of them, right click, make a pre-compose, and right here, butterfly, okay. And click Ctrl K, change the size to HD, okay. And press S, scale down the size. And now set here, scale down the size. Take a look, press P, position first, and next, and next. Select, press P, or go to Pen Tool, select Convert to make smooth curve like this. Take a look. So you can turn on the rotation part, rotate, good. Okay guys, and now I need to make copy, Ctrl D, press S, scale down the size, and set here. So apply HE saturation, make another color. So you can make Ctrl D once again and move it down here, change the position lines and change the color red and make here. Take a look. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about butterfly animation by Illustrator in dynamic link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.